misdemeanors, officers will no longer be able to remove trespassers from your residence or your businesses. Someone could decide to live in your shed, and all we can do is give them a ticket. You have to decide what level of force is required to remove them and whether or not it's legal.
What the fuck? What the fuck? It doesn't make any goddamn sense. Why would anybody fucking do that? They're calling it the fucking Purge law, but it's called the Safety Act. On January 1st, 2023, Illinois will take its place in history when they become the first state to test out the Purge in real life, the Safety Act. The Safety Act will charge and release criminals without cash bail for 12 now non-detainable offenses. Those offenses include second-degree murder, aggravated battery, arson, drug-induced homicide, kidnapping, burglary, robbing, intimidation, aggravated DUIs, aggravated fleeing, eluding, drug offenses, and threatening a public official. Like, what crimes are worse? What are the crimes that are worse than those? First-degree murder, fucking pedophilia, a terrorist, some shit. Like, you got everything there. What is worse than that? And this is in Illinois, Chicago. Bro, Chirac, dog. Like, it's literally going to be the fucking Purge out there. Why? And I don't understand it. I don't understand the goal behind it. I don't understand. It's like we living in fucking the Purge for real.
Illinois will be the first state in the nation to end cash bail starting next year, and that is sparking a concern.
So I'm saying what that means is if you don't have cash to bail yourself out, they're going to release you.
That more criminals could be out on the street.
Grady Trimble is in the loop and breaks down this law, which is called the Safety Act.
Ain't nothing safe about it.
A number of states' attorneys and sheriffs are sounding the alarm about Illinois' plan to end cash bail.
I'm trying to understand it, but I mean, it's about to be enacted January 1st of next year. Hopefully they don't do it, but like if this happens, you imagine the fucking shit that's about to pop off. It's literally gonna be the fucking Purge. When cops can't even arrest criminals, motherfuckers got the green light to do whatever the fuck they want to do in Chicago. In fucking Chicago, bruh. Like, if I was a cop, I'm turning in my gun and my badge, right? Y'all not about to set me up for no fucking okie doke. I'm gonna take my ass to the crib and protect my goddamn family. You can't even fucking kick intruders out. You know what I mean? I wonder what the gun laws are in Chicago, man. Like, motherfuckers are really literally about to get fucked up. Lives are gonna be lost. People are gonna be devastated. People are gonna get robbed. People are gonna get, bruh. What the fuck, dog?
They say it's going to make crime in the state of Illinois worse.
Where the fuck is the governor at? I'm trying to find some representatives that are speaking for this shit.
In fact, January 1st, 2023 gets rid of cash bail entirely. It also limits who can be arrested and held in jail based on the crime they're alleged to have committed.
The clerk of court may accept payment of fines, penalties, or costs by credit card or debit card approved, blah, 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 blah.
The Democrats who voted for this law say it's more equitable.
You've been denied.
They're putting equity over public safety.
The bond because you.
Still wearing enough layers to insulate an iceberg? It's time for a new hoodie. Meet the Bearskin Tactical Hoodie. Designed.
Been denied a bond because you're dangerous, which is good. Let's deny dangerous people bonds. But if they have a bond, we're saying you're not dangerous. We're just going to keep you in jail because you're poor.
But those in law enforcement who oppose it say it'll lead to hundreds.
That doesn't even fucking make any sense to me. I don't know. I don't understand what he just said.
It's going to keep you in jail. Let's do a bond.
More equitable.
You've been denied a bond because you're dangerous.
You've been denied bond because you're dangerous. We're not letting you out.
Which is good. Let's deny dangerous people bonds. But if they have a bond, we're saying you're not dangerous. We're just going to keep you in jail because you're poor.
If you have a bond, you're not dangerous. We're just gonna keep you in jail because you're poor. What does any of that have to do with them releasing all the criminals, though? I don't understand.
But
the
those
connection.
in law enforcement who oppose it say it'll lead to hundreds, if not thousands of people being released from jail as soon as it goes into effect at the beginning of the year. They also say it'll make our communities more dangerous with suspects in future crimes roaming free.
Facts.
There is nothing just, and there's nothing, promoting safety about allowing individuals who choose to
The
break.
fact that we even having this stupid ass conversation, I mean, situations like this never fucking cease to amaze me, bro. Like, it's the most commonsensical situations be taking place that everybody knows this is the right thing to do, this is clearly the wrong thing to do, but we all always stuck doing the fucking wrong, absolute wrong, worst thing, bro. It's one of those fucking things where you're gonna release all these fucking criminals on the street because it's more equitable.
Break the law to threaten and to hurt innocent people, allow them back on the streets to do it again. That's the opposite of justice, and that's the opposite of promoting safety within our community.
The new law comes at a time when businesses are already leaving the city of...
All right, man. I'm trying to find reasons for this. Shit, there's not even a lot of information on it. There's nothing on YouTube, bro. There's nothing on YouTube. Hold on, let me fucking read what the Safety Act is. The 2021 Illinois Safety, Accountability, Fairness, and Equity Today. Oh, so it was an acronym. I thought it was like trying to say some safety shit. Enacts extensive reform impacting many areas of the criminal justice system, including pre-arrest diversion, policing, pretrial, sentencing, and corrections. Blah, 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 blah. Summary of the Safety Act. The Safety Act is extensive, incorporating many aspects of the criminal justice system and crime victim support. The Act covers 3 areas of criminal justice reform: policing, pretrial, and corrections, described in this list below. Due to the scope and breadth of the Act, these lists are not detailed and may not be exhaustive. Please reference the full Act for specific and exact language. But it doesn't say why. This don't fucking. They don't tell you why. Why do they need to reform the cash bail system? And what does it fucking matter? Like, fuck the cash bail system. It's about people's safety. Judges will have discretion in certain cases, like armed robbery is a case that is detainable. But for those other offenses you mentioned, second-degree murder, kidnapping, hate crimes, aggravated batteries, robberies, just to name a few, judges will not have discretion unless the person is a willful risk of imminent flight. Everybody arrested for these crimes should be a fucking risk of imminent flight. Their risk to the public and their risk to commit a future crime will not be a criteria. That... But yet again, it doesn't tell you why. It doesn't. I don't understand what correlation. Where's the correlation? Where's the connection? What's the connection with taking cash bail away and putting and prioritizing the equity issue over the public safety, bro? Y'all motherfuckers get the hell out of goddamn Chicago, dog. Like this shit don't, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, bro. And if this shit can go down in Chicago, one of the worst fucking, I keep saying Chicago, Illinois, but that's where Chicago is. If it can go down in Illinois, this shit can go down any goddamn where, bro. Motherfuckers about to be purging for real. Don't make no fucking sense, bro. Don't make no fucking sense.